Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll tell you how many followers on Instagram to get paid. So basically, Instagram has not any criteria with your followers. If you have 1000 followers, you can get paid or make money. So for that, you need to switch your account, personal account to professional account. Then you have to make reels or videos. You have to post videos or photos with friends, uh, or otherwise you can connect with any applications. Some applications as um, Intel Influence or Boost Insider, actually Collabor 8 or Expert Voice. So go to these applications and contact with brands and ask for any sponsors uh, with your 1000 followers. Then they give you jobs depends on your eligibility. So after that, um, on your niche you can make money. You can make more videos and you have more followers, more views, and you can make money with this. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.